In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your contacts into Pipedrive using a CSV file. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to prepare your file so your contacts land in the right place without headaches. All you need is a Pipedrive account and a spreadsheet saved as a CSV. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Pipedrive account. You'll start from your main dashboard. If you're new to Pipedrive, this is the hub where you'll manage deals, people, and activities. Make sure you're on the correct company account and that you have permission to import data. If you're working with multiple tabs or accounts, keep only the relevant one open to avoid uploading to the wrong workspace. Next, look for the More menu in the top navigation bar. Click it, then select Import Data. This is Pipedrive's built-in tool for bringing in contacts from files or other sources. On the import page, choose Upload Spreadsheet. That option lets you bring in a CSV file, which is the most straightforward way to import a contact list you've prepared in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet app. Before you upload, a quick tip on preparing your CSV: include clear column headers like first name, last name, organization, email, and phone. Avoid merged cells, remove blank header rows, and save the file as .csv with UTF-8 encoding to preserve special characters. If you have duplicates, tidy them up beforehand or keep a unique identifier such as email so Pipedrive can recognize existing records. When you're ready, click to upload your spreadsheet and select the CSV from your computer. Pipedrive will guide you through on-screen prompts. You'll have the opportunity to review how your columns align with Pipedrive fields, so double-check that names, emails, and phone numbers are matched correctly. If you're unsure, consider testing with a small sample file first to confirm everything looks right, then repeat the process with your full list. Once the upload completes, you're done. You should see a confirmation that your import finished successfully. Head to your People section in Pipedrive and spot check a handful of records to make sure details look accurate and neatly formatted. If something seems off, you can adjust your CSV and re-import or use Pipedrive's tools to clean up fields. That's all it takes to import your contact list into Pipedrive using a CSV file. Keep your spreadsheet clean, use clear headers, and review the mapping prompts carefully for the smoothest results. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.